gunman who killed her. Tiana Ricks and her father were shot at a party Saturday night. Ricks was shot at Parker Lane in Majestic Prince Way, Moreno Valley. This one from Amber Lee is live there following the search for her killers. Amber?
Well, Kennedy investigators say they are still looking for 2 men responsible for shooting up his home on Saturday night. Take a look. You can still see 3 bullet holes on this windshield. Family members tell me Tiana Ricks was standing in front of this car when she was shot. Now all that's left, people have come and made up a memorial. You are watching and listening to the frantic moments after shots were fired at a party in Moreno Valley that killed a 6-year-old girl Saturday night. You can hear at least 4 gunshots before the woman who shot the video scrambles underneath the table for safety. Courtney Cook is the daughter of the woman who threw the party. She says it was supposed to be a joyous occasion because her sister was leaving for college. But that joy quickly turned to anguish when 6-year-old Tiana Ricks died in the gunfire.
So just taking it slowly right now, trying to hold it together.
The 6-year-old girl lives in Long Beach, but came with her father to this family party. Cook says the two had just arrived when 2 strangers pulled up in a black car. Witnesses say the 2 men got out of the car, exchanged some words with people at the party. When they turned to leave, that's when Cook says she heard shots fired. One of the bullets hit Tiana in the shoulder. Her father was also hit in the abdomen.
And I ran back down, and all I can see is Tiana laying there. And her dad was right there with her as well. And I kneeled down, and I just grabbed her hand.
Tiana and her father were taken to a nearby hospital where she later died. Neighbor Guadalupe Leo, who lives over on the next street, says news of this deadly shooting is shocking, but not surprising. She says in the last 3 years, the neighborhood has gone downhill.
Some people that have moved here are not very good people.
The 6-year-old's family describes her as a vibrant child with so much personality. Family members say her big eyes and smile always lit up a room. A youngster that loved to dance and skate and just recently learned how to play the piano. A life that can never be replaced but touched so many. Cook says she hopes whoever is responsible for her death comes forward.
Justice. We need it. Very much so.
Tiana Ricks would have turned 7 years old on September 21st. Family members tell me that Tiana's father is still at the hospital and should be released sometime today. Now, I did speak to Tiana's mother earlier, and she tells me she'll be signing paperwork so that her daughter's body can be brought back to Long Beach. She tells me that she is her only child, and she can't believe she is no longer here. In Moreno Valley, Amber Lee, CBS 2 News.
Amber, thank you.